Hi everyone, we welcome you all. Paste some of these leaves on this white sheet of the paper. We have just cutted down some leaves in some circular shape. These will actually represent the beetles. Then we are adding the further details of the beetles with the help of the black marker. For this crafty activity, you may require the cardboard sheets and you may require some of the leaves that we have taken from the trees, and you have to paste them and see how beautiful these birds look like. Again, with the help of some beautiful leaves, we are going to create some of the flowers, and in the surroundings we are going to make some of the butterflies. This one is so easy and good. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. This painting looks somewhat multicolored as we are using the multicolored sheets of the paper here. Then we are pasting them in one above the other direction. See how beautiful and good this one looks. These circular sheets will represent the trees, and we are adding further details with the help of the black marker. Definitely go for this one. For our next painting, we may require some of the sketch colors and some of the black markers. Then we are just trying to trace down the watermelon tree. You can just pause the video so that you can have much clearer look and you can trace it down perfectly. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12. You can go for this one. It's so simple and nice. Don't forget to trace down the seeds of the watermelon. Then you just have to make use of some bright colors to fill it with. We are using sketch colors here. You can use the water ones. Let's make this cute little tiny mouse with the help of the white fluid in just few easy simple steps. It's best suitable for the small kids. This painting is very simple and it's very less time consuming. All you need is some marker and some beautiful multicolors. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. With the help of some finger imprints, we are going to make these multicolored balls that look so nice and good. Difficulty level is very simple. Let's trace down an autumn tree with the help of the oil pastels. Here we are taking the two shades of the yellow, that's the simple yellow and the mustard one, and see how we are just trying to fill the page with. And after that, with the help of the brown oil pastel, we are going to trace down the trunk. This painting is very simple and it's very less time consuming, best suited for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You just have to fill the colors very carefully. For this painting is very simple. You just have to make some circular shape. After that, these circular shapes we are going to convert into the elephant. This one is so simple and good. You can just definitely go for this one. It's best suited for the kids between the age group of 5 to 10. Thank you for watching.